Dear all, 2025's most dangerous MS Office exploit. Microsoft Office is one of the most widely used software suites globally, integral to many industries, including education, finance, healthcare, legal, and government. With applications like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, Office, which enable professionals to create documents, manage data, and communicate effectively. Microsoft Office vulnerabilities are commonly exploited through various attack methods. The first and most common is phishing, where attackers hide fake login links or malware inside Office documents like Word or Excel files. Victims may receive a seemingly innocent file, but once opened, they're tricked into clicking a malicious link that leads to a fake login page or malware download, often stealing personal or company credentials. The second method involves memory corruption vulnerability, CVE 201711882, a vulnerability in the outdated equation editor feature in Microsoft Word. When a victim opens a malicious document that exploits this flaw, the malware is automatically executed without any extra action required. This allows attackers to remotely install harmful software, often enabling them to steal sensitive information or take control of the victim's system. The third method, TLina, CVE 202230190, takes advantage of the Microsoft Support Diagnostic Tool, MSDT, to execute harmful code just by viewing a Word document. This vulnerability doesn't require any user interaction beyond opening the document, making it especially dangerous. Once the document is opened, malicious scripts can run in the background, allowing attackers to install malware or take control of the system without the user's knowledge. Successful exploitation of these vulnerabilities can result in unauthorized access to sensitive data, systems, and networks, potentially leading to malware infections such as ransomware. The impact could include data loss, corruption, and significant reputational and financial damage to the organization. Mitigation strategies: limit external file access and review internal document handling procedures to prevent malicious Office file exploitation. Use sandboxing tools to safely inspect suspicious Office files before opening them. Keep all Office software up to date and disable legacy features like macros and the equation editor.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon for future videos.